I suoni dell'inglese parlato della Zanichelli. Chapter 1. Vowels, Vocali. 1. Read, please.
3 green leaves. 3 green trees. These 3 weeks. These teachers teach. Speak to the teacher. I see 3 people under a tree. I see 3 geese and 3 sheep in a field. A weak team. These 3 keys.
The second sound, I, a fish. Hit it with this thick stick. The fish is on the dish. Give me a pretty little ring. It is a big fish. Give me a pin. Fill it with ink. We pity him. It is a pity he is ill. Fish swim. Fill the dish with fish. It is pink.
The third sound, E, hens. Nell's red dress. Nell's red dress is on the bed. 10 hens. 10 pens and 10 red pencils. Give me 10 eggs, please. We ate bread and cherries. Give him a red pencil, please. Nell says she is ill. She sells seashells. A red brick building. He ate an egg.
The fourth sound, A crab. He is a bad man, that man is. That cat is black. That is the fat man that sat on his hat in the tram. The fat little man is sad. Sheep and lambs. That man is happy. Please give me bread and jam. Give him a ham sandwich, please. She has a big black cat. He is the black sheep of the family. The cat that ate the rat is black.
The fifth sound, R, a starfish. The farmer's car is in the garden. A large car park. His father is in France. It is a large garden. Give the farmer a glass of whiskey. We can't, darling. The French live in France. She says that the sea is calm. He is a hard-hearted man. It is his last card. That man with a red scarf is Jack.
The sixth sound, A cock. The story of the ox and of the frog. Forests in Scotland. Foxes, dogs, cocks, frogs, oxen are animals. A strong dog. Collies are Scotch sheepdogs. The cod is a large fish. A cross on the top of the hill. A doll in a box. A swan on the pond. Give him a bottle of cherry brandy. Bob shot the fox.
The seventh sound, O, a horse. Maud saw naughty Paul. Paul saw Maud. Maud saw a small horse. Maud is short. Paul is tall. We bought Paul's ball. George caught the ball. I saw a swan swimming in the pond. Strong form, weak form. Maud brought 4 bottles and 4 glasses. She sells seashells on the seashore. Paul bought 4 horses.
The 8th sound. Oh, a bull. A good cook cooks well. A good book for you. She ate the pudding. Pull it to pieces. A wood full of tall trees. He looked at me. I pushed the ball with my foot. Look at him. The woman shook her head. He took the bull by the horns. Put it in the book.
The 9th sound. Oo, a goose. Susan blew on her soup to cool it. Boots or shoes? Is it true? Fruit is good for you. Andrew took a piece of chalk and drew a goose and 2 sheep. Susan, too, bought a blue dress. New brooms sweep clean. Andrew caught the blue ball and threw it into the sea. The soup is good. The cuckoo flew over the roof. Is it a new moon or a full moon?
The 10th sound. Ah, a duck. As snug as a bug in a rug. Cut it up, please. Give her a cup of tea, please. Thank you very much. Don't study too much. It is in front of us. Dust the room thoroughly. The boy is hungry. Give him a bun with butter and honey. No wonder. Brother, come here. Nothing new under the sun.
The 11th sound. A bird. The girl hurt herself. Workers of the world unite. The servant heard her and turned. The early bird catches the worm. It is the girl's birthday. Early in the morning I heard the bird singing. A fir is a tree. The girl wanted a fur coat. The earth turns round the sun. He learned very little. It is not easy to learn a foreign language well.
The 12th sound. A kangaroo. Islanders live on islands. Closer. I have been there. I had been there. I have got a book. I am a boy. Englishmen drink several cups of tea a day. A cup of tea. This is a good method. Go to school. I was looking at the boy. The woman and the girl were in England. He had his breakfast at 7. Lowered. Give it to father. He spoke to my mother. That's a beautiful picture. That's better. I like that colour. The boy learnt a short tongue twister. I slipped on the skin of a banana. The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh. A writer, a reader, a painter, a sculptor. With pleasure.